In this infinite universe we live in, there is definitely a higher power controlling it all. The master behind this masterpiece we call life is the one wielding everything into place. Every single soul has a mapped-out plan of the way their life is to go. Certain souls have a greater mission for their life. They have an innate destiny to fulfill in their lifetime. Those certain souls have a unique path that is chosen by the highest master. These souls are what we call the chosen ones. The chosen ones are far and few, but they are on this earth right now, doing their sole purpose work that was written and contracted before reincarnation. Many are called, but only few are chosen. How can one be sure as to if they are a chosen one or not? Here are 9 signs that you are indeed a chosen one. 1. You have an old soul. Souls that have lived many lives and understand the laws of the universe are the main ones to be chosen to fulfill a soul mission, spiritual conquest, or raise the vibration of the world. 2. You are highly intuitive. Your intuition is second nature to you. You rely heavily on your inner wisdom and guidance. You connect with your higher self and spirit guides all the time. You hear them as they guide you down your path. 3. You don't fit into societal norms. You cannot seem to fit into modern-day society. Your outlook on life is vastly different than those around you. You feel as if you are not of this world because you aren't. Your soul is not from this world, but you are here to create a new world here on earth. 4. You walk a different path in life. Your path is different than most. While everyone tends to take the high road, you take a completely different turn and journey down the unknown. In Robert Frost's poem, you are the epitome of going down the road less traveled. Your path is different because it was chosen by the Most High. Your path in life is more difficult, but difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. 5. You feel misunderstood by others. You feel as if no one really seems to get you or understand you. Friends and family members even do not get you as much as they think they do. Usually your family dynamic is your biggest obstacle and causes you the most stress. Your foundation was meant to be difficult. You were meant to be surrounded by those that didn't appreciate or understand you so that you can develop your healing gifts and wisdom. 6. You are an empath. You feel the energies and emotion of others. You are highly sensitive with heightened senses, such as sight, hearing, or smell. You have compassion for others and genuinely want to help people. 7. You are very spiritual. You are not into religion, but more into spirituality and the occult. You gravitate toward healing, crystals, tarot, mediation, sage and candle work. 8. You are a natural-born leader. As a chosen one, you are meant to lead others. Leadership is a great trait of yours, and many follow your example. Even those you may not notice, just so happen to notice you. People are naturally drawn to your aura, look up to you, and value your input on things. People often come to you for advice and insight on situations that they are dealing with in their lives. You are not one to follow the crowd. You shy away from the crowd and create your own pathway. Living without fears might be impossible, and yes, even the chosen ones fear. But this doesn't mean that they don't try their best to tame these shadows and embrace their full potential. The spirit warrior will look where others are afraid to look and go further than everybody accepts. Subscribe the challenge for new videos. Thanks for watching this video.